Hello students, welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, MOA, subject English, Standard 8, Unit 6, The Tannetar Fair. So after completion of this chapter, let us see the exercise. First of all, activity number 4, match A with B. First A, mundane. The answer is dull or ordinary. Second, whirlwind. The answer is happening very fast. Third, in A, ethnic. The answer is connected with a nation or race or people that shares a cultural tradition. Fourth, unison. The answer is all do something at the same time. Now 5, surge. The answer is quickly and with force in particular direction. Then spouse. Spouse, the answer is a husband or a wife. Now 7th one, spontaneous. The answer is not planned. 8, captivating. The answer is enchanting. 9th, exquisitely. Answer is extremely beautiful or carefully made. 10th, unique. The answer is one of its kind. 11, embellishments. The answer is decorations or embroidery. 12th, initiate. The answer is begin or set in motion. 13, clack. The answer is the sound when hard objects hit each other. 14, incessant. The answer is constant. 15, potential. That is possible. And last, 16, entice, that is persuade. Okay. Now activity number 5. A, tick mark the option that is most appropriate. Into bracket, references are given. References means options are given. In that first, Rashmi, a Rabari girl, participates in the Rado. She is dressed in dazzling red zimi. Which statement is true? A potential husband may seek her as a bride. She is a married girl taking part in the festivities. It is a tradition and therefore she must join in the dance. The answer is A. A potential husband may seek her as a bride. Second, a group of tourists from Bhavnagar wishes to attend the Tannetar Fair. The cheapest and shortest route you could advise them to take is A, to go to Chotila via Rajkot and then take the ST bus to Thangad. B, to go to Chotila from Ahmedabad and then take the ST bus to Thangad. Or C, to go via Botad to Chotila and then take the ST bus to Thangad. The answer is C, to go via Botad to Chotila and then take the ST bus to Thangad. Now third one, if you are planning to attend the Tannetar Fair, you will do the bookings for the months of A, June, July, B, August, September, or C, October, November. The answer is B, August and September. Now fourth one. A young collie plans to impress the girls at the fair. Therefore, he spends over a year preparing himself by A. Making small colorful handkerchiefs, B. Embroidering exquisite designs on his umbrella, or C. Practicing his art and getting ready his clothes and headgear. The answer is B. Embroidering exquisite designs on his umbrella. Okay, so here we are end of today's session. Okay, so remaining activities we will see later on. Thank you very much.